Amid Trump's flip-flops on citizenship law, here's how you can legally apply for a green card. Donald Trump is at it again. The United States president has hinted that he may consider revoking the U.S. citizenship of New York City's Democratic mayoral candidate Zohran Mamdani. This followed Trump's comment that his former aide Elon Musk would have to close up shop and head back home to South Africa amid a controversy over his tax breaks. Trump's views on citizenship to the United States are an open secret. The U.S. president has repeatedly criticized the current green card system, especially family-based immigration, maintaining that the U.S. should prioritize skilled immigrants rather than allowing extended family members to immigrate through family ties. Trump has advocated for a points-based immigration system, similar to those in Canada or Australia. Under this, green cards would go primarily to immigrants with high levels of education, English proficiency, and job offers in specialized fields. To become naturalized as a U.S. citizen, an individual needs to be above the age of 18 and to have lived continuously in the U.S. as a green card holder for 5 years, or 3 years if they are married to a U.S. citizen. What is a green card? A green card, officially known as a permanent resident card, is a document issued by the U.S. government that allows a non-US citizen to live and work permanently in the United States. By granting lawful permanent resident (LPR) status, a green card allows the holder to live and work in the U.S. indefinitely, travel outside the U.S. with some restrictions, and apply for U.S. citizenship after a few years, typically 35 years. Originally, the card was green in color when first issued in the 1940s. Even though it has gone through many design changes and was not green for decades, the nickname green card stuck. The most recent versions have returned to a greenish tint. What are the legal ways to get a green card? Family-based green card. This is the most common pathway. A person is eligible for this if they are immediate relatives of a U.S. citizen, spouse, unmarried child under 21, parent or other family categories, example siblings, married adult children of U.S. citizens or green card holders. A U.S. relative files Form I-130 petition for alien relative, and then one applies for the green card via adjustment of status if inside the U.S. or consular processing if abroad. Employment-based green card. This is issued to individuals with certain job offers, skills, or qualifications. The categories under this include EB1 people with extraordinary abilities, researchers, executives; EB2 professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional abilities; EB3 skilled workers, professionals, and other workers; EB4 special immigrants, e.g. religious workers, U.S. government employees abroad; EB5 investor green card, $800,000 investment in a U.S. business creating jobs. In this case, an employer usually files Form I-140 immigrant petition for alien worker, and then one adjusts status or goes through consular processing. Diversity visa green card lottery. This is a U.S. government program for people from countries with low U.S. immigration. They should hail from an eligible country and meet minimum education or work experience requirements. The applicant will apply through the official diversity visa program, free to enter, and if selected, go through the interview and background check stages. Asylum or refugee status. This applies if one is fleeing persecution. One must prove they are a refugee or asylee based on race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or group membership. The applicant must apply for asylum or enter the U.S. as a refugee. After 1 year, they can apply for a green card via Form I-485. Special categories: U visa for victims of crimes who assist law enforcement; T visa for trafficking victims; special immigrant; juvenile for abused or neglected minors; VAWA for abused spouses, children of U.S. citizens or green card holders. What is the general application process? Someone usually must file an immigrant petition for you, often referred to as sponsoring or petitioning for you. In some cases, you may be eligible to file for yourself. Swipe left for next video after USCIS approves the immigrant petition, and there is a visa available in your category. You file either a green card application with USCIS or a visa application with the U.S. Department of State. You go to a biometrics appointment to provide fingerprints, photos, and a signature, followed by an interview. You then receive a decision on your application. Latest blogs.